So here's another example of a great non-performing note deal that we got directly from a hedge fund that one of my students ended up taking down. It's in Houston, Texas, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Not a bad looking little property, but it was outdated. Borrowers hadn't updated the property. Actually, the borrower was deceased. So this is actually a reverse mortgage. The borrower had passed away. This is actually after some cleanup on the outside of the property. But when it was sent to us, the payoff was about $187,000. The hedge fund was looking to sell it for around 105 to 109, which is not bad right there alone in Houston. Without even looking at the inside, I was like, oh, it's not so bad, because they sent me an inspection report. I see it was a little outdated, had some stuff in it, just needed to be really cleaned up, and a little TLC. Outside needed a new coat of paint and some stuff like that. But the great thing is when we had a realtor pull comps, it came back at 220, 230. So it was like, this is a great little deal. So we bought it. It took 60 days to finish the foreclosure. We tried to work out a deed in lieu with the heirs. There's a son and 2 daughters who did not get along. They were out of New York and Houston, and we offered them to do deed in lieu, even offered them some cash for keys, $500 to $1,000. And the reason we didn't offer more than that, because we can foreclose quick in Texas. So we couldn't get them to sign the deed in lieu, so we just foreclosed, took the property back, got into it, changed the locks, went in, paint, carpet, new appliances, external paint, new lighting fixtures, and that was about it. It just was about 25 grand in rehabs for that stuff because of external, internal paint and stuff like that. But it was it's pretty much a home run. Sold it in roughly 60 days. We had basically a full price offer. Buyers went FHA, and so they only had to bring 3.5% down. It was a win-win across the board.